Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here we have to tap on passwords and security. Now let's scroll and find privacy and click on special app access. And here we have to find install unknown apps, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, for example, if you want to allow Chrome to install something, then simply tap on it and click on this switcher next to allow from this source. Now let's get back. And as you can see, from now on, you're allowed to install anything from the Chrome. The same situation will be also with other apps, for example, Google Drive. Let's tap on the switcher, let's get back. And the same situation, from now on Google Drive is allowed to install something. If you want to turn it off, just do the same, so tap on the app you want to turn off and click on the switcher. And now it has been changed. So that's all. This is how to allow unknown apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.